Make your own laundry detergent. It doesn't take that much time or effort, and you'll save yourself because it'll only cost you 3 cents a load. The hardest part about this recipe is getting this soap to grind down. So first you have to take a cheese grater and grind that soap down so the material is nice and grinded, but this is not fine enough. You're gonna have to grind this in a dedicated coffee grinder to get it grounded even more. Okay, voila. You see how much finer that is? Boom. And then you do that. You pour in your cup here, 1 cup, da-da-da, boom. And then you do 1 cup of your borax, which is not open yet. We're gonna open it. Okay. 1 cup of this, da-da-da. And pour it into a bowl. SmartShopperDaphne.com, my blog, where you can find all of my content and get more information. And don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.